foam roller can be great to release some of the tight muscles in your legs, but sometimes they can't get in deep enough, so I like to use a med ball. So what you're going to do is sit on the med ball and turn to the side. Whatever side you turn to, put that leg over your other leg, creating a figure four. You're going to immediately feel a tight muscle. What you're going to want to do is sit on that tight muscle for about a minute or two. You can also thread that muscle, so lifting up your leg like this can help get it to relax a little bit quicker, but this is going to be pretty painful in the fact that your muscle is tight and it's protecting itself. So try to take a big deep breath in and relax that muscle and get it to loosen up. You can also roll around, sometimes getting closer to your hip if your hip flexor feels tight or your TFL on the side of your hip feels tight. You're moving around and getting those muscles to relax. This is going to get deep in there. So this is going to feel quite painful at first, but the more you do it, the easier and better it will be. You're also going to want to do both sides. So when you flip over to the other side, you may feel that one side might not be as bad as the other, but you definitely want to do both sides. This can and probably should be done on a daily basis if you work out more frequently, or also that you have a desk job. Oftentimes when you're sitting all day, your low back is feeling some pain, and it could be due to your tight glutes. So this is a good start, and also adding some stretching in there if you don't do that. So go ahead and do this on both sides for most days of the week.